Hi everyone, I will show you how to open chat head in Messenger app. First of all, open your Messenger app, then tap the three lines on the top left and tap to a setting option. Now scroll down and you need to enable the chat head option. Now go back, then hold the chat. Now you can see the open chat option, then tap it. Now you can see the chat head available on your screen. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.